Ever passed an object to a function and wondered why TypeScript didn't catch your typo? That's where interfaces come in. A TypeScript interface is essentially a blueprint that describes the shape or structure of an object. Think of it as defining what properties an object should have and what types those properties should be. It's like saying this object must look exactly like this. Interfaces define a contract that objects must follow. When you declare an interface, any object implementing it must include all required properties with matching types. This contract is enforced at compile time, catching errors before your code even runs. Interfaces can define both properties and method signatures. You can specify property names with their types, optional properties with a question mark, and even function signatures that describe what parameters a method takes and what it returns. Here's the key thing. Interfaces are completely erased at runtime. They exist only during development to provide type checking. When TypeScript compiles to JavaScript, interfaces disappear entirely. No runtime overhead, just compile time safety. So remember, interfaces are TypeScript's way to define object shapes with compile time guarantees that vanish in production. Master interfaces. Master TypeScript. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.